So now we come to question number 9. So what is said in question number 9 is, look into your book, page number 59. A ladder 10 meter long reaches a window 8 meter above the ground. Find the distance of the foot of the ladder from base of the wall. Right. So now they have asked, they have said that there is a wall. So let us take this to be a wall. Right. So this is 8 meter long. Now this is the ladder. Let us take this to be the ladder. So this is 10 meter of height, right? So we don't have the base. This is what we have to find out. So let us just name it A, B, C. So we have AB and AC, but we don't have BC, right? So what we are going to do here is, first we are going to write down what is given to us. So what is given? So let the height of the ladder be AC, right? It is not given to us whether it is AC, whether it is AB. We have assumed let the height of the ladder be AC, which is 10 meter, right? Next is height of the wall is how much? Height of the wall is equal to 8 meter, right? Then what is there to be asked? What they have asked? They have asked us the distance between wall to the foot of the ladder. Okay, this is what is asked to us. So now what we are going to do is, in triangle ABC, we know that it is right angle at angle B. So angle B is equal to 90 degree, right? So now taking into consideration Pythagoras theorem, so this is perpendicular, this is hypotenuse, AC square is the hypotenuse, is equals to AB square, that is perpendicular, plus BC square. This is Pythagoras theorem. Next is, now AC square and AB square is already given. Already we have assumed AC to be 10 meter and AB to be 8 meter. Right. So now what we have to find? We have to find BC. So I bring BC here. BC square will be equals to AC square minus AB square. Right. So we have the value for AC. What is the value for AC? 10. So 10 square. AB value is 8. So 8 square. So when I write here BC square equals to 10 means 10 into 10, that is 100, and 8 means 8 8s are 64. Now I need to minus this, subtract it, right? So 100 minus 64 is how much? Here it will be 10, so 10 minus 4 is 6. And when I took 10 here it will be 9. So 9 minus 6 is 3, right? So this is the answer. So now BC square is equals to 36. So BC will be how much? BC will be root over 36, that is 6 meter. Okay. So what is the answer for us? The answer, that the question that has been asked to us is, therefore the distance between wall to the foot of the ladder is 6 meter. Okay. So this is question number 9. Next we come to question number 10. Now we come to question number 10. Look into your book, page number 59, question number 10. A guy wire attached to a vertical pole of height 18 meter is 24 meter long and has a stake attached to the other end. How far from the base of the pole should the stake be driven so that the wire will be taut? Okay, so now here they have said that there is a wire, okay, which is attached to a vertical pole. So the height they have given is 18 meter, okay, and the length they have given is 24 meter long, and they have asked you to find out that from the base of the pole, how far it will take from the base of the pole for the stake to be driven so that the wire will be taut. Now here what we are going to do first is that it is the similar one as we have done in question number 9. So here I take this is 18 meter, right, and this is the length that I am taking. Length is given as 24 meter. I am assuming this, okay, it is not given to me, I am assuming it, and I need to find out the base. So this is A, this is B, and this is C, right? Now like the similar, like the previous question, we will do the same thing. So what we have to find out? Let the distance between pole and stake be BC, okay, which we have to find out. Okay, so the length of the wire is how much? The length of the wire is given as 18 meter. Sorry, the height is given as 18 meter, and the length of the wire is given as is equal to 24 meter, right? So now here it is in triangle ABC. So ABC is a triangle where it is angle B is equal to 90 degree. It is right angle at angle B, right? Now according to the Pythagoras theorem, AC square, that is perpendicular square, is equals to your hypotenuse square is equals to perpendicular square, which is AB square plus BC square, that is base, right? So how did we get it? We got it from Pythagoras theorem. Right? So now what we are going to do is that we are going to find out BC. So we will bring BC here equals to AC minus AB square. AC square minus AB square. Now we have the value for AC square and AB square. So what is the value for AC? The value for AC is 24 square. And the value for AB is 18 square, right? So now BC square will be, let us do 24 into 24, how much it is? 4 4s are 16, carry 1 here, 4 2s are 8 and 9. So 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 4. So how much we got? 6, 17 here, 5. How much we got? We got 576, right? So minus, how much are we going to get for 18 square, right? 18 into 18. So 8 8s are 64, carry 6 here, 8 1s are 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And here 8 1s are 8 and 1 1s are 1. So it is 4 here. 8 plus 4 is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 and 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So how much we got? We got 324. Right? So now let us subtract. Okay, let us subtract now. So BC square is equals to 576 minus 324. How much do we get? 6 minus 4 is 2. Right? So 7 minus 2 is 5. Right? Then 5 minus 3 is 2. So how much we got? We got 252. Right? So now we have to find out BC. So BC will be how much? BC is equal to square root of 252. So now square root of 252 will not come. Right? So we have to break this. There is no square root of 252. So what we are going to do? We are going to write root over 36 into 7. Right? So what will be the answer? BC will be 6 because 6 6 are 36 and 7 cannot be derived. So we have to take a square root. So it is 6 square root of 7 meter. Right? So this is what has been asked to you to find out BC. Right? So this is question number 10. Next we come to question number 11.